Day 36. Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming. What is OOP? Object-Oriented Programming, OOP, is a way to structure your code around objects that represent real-world entities or concepts. An object is an instance of a class. Objects have attributes, data, and methods, functions that operate on the data. Example, think of a class as a blueprint for a house. The blueprint defines the structure, like walls, windows, doors, but is not an actual house. An object is like a real house built using the blueprint. Understanding classes and objects. Class, a blueprint for creating objects. It defines a set of attributes and methods that the objects created from the class will have. Object, an instance of a class. When you create an object, you are creating something based on the class blueprint. Basic syntax. Creating and using classes. Create a class. Use the class keyword. Define the constructor. Use initialize the object's properties. Create objects. Instantiate the class to create an object. Lab, creating your own class. Scenario. You want to create a class to represent a simple book in a library system. Step 1. Define a class named Book with attributes like title, author, and year. Step 2. Add a method to display book details. Step 3. Create an object of the book class and use it.